Hello there, welcome to the QR Guard user instruction video. QR Guard is accessible through any web browser, including but not limited to Chrome, Edge, and Safari, both on your desktop or mobile device. On this platform, you'll find a range of learning resources for each fiber cable model by Paragon Navigator, including datasheet, installation guidelines, transportation and handling tips, and fiber access videos. A unique reel number is required to initiate the warranty registration process before each installation. You may proceed with the warranty registration by agreeing to the registration agreement. The installation report consists of both the start point and the end point. Fields including names of construction company and operator, cable length, and a picture containing length marking are mandatory. GPS positioning is available as an optional field, offering both automatic pinpointing and manual input of addresses or coordinates as viable options. You may also choose to upload an image of OTDR test results of SmartReel connectors for future reference. After uploading the information for the start point, you'll be prompted to repeat the procedure for the end point and provide a valid contact email address to complete the registration process. The extended warranty becomes active immediately after the registration pass is issued. Incorporate QR Guard into your fiber cable projects to streamline your inventory management and enhance your work crew's skills and knowledge. For further information or a technical demonstration, please email us at info@paragonnavigator.com.